How to log in into Paycom employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Paycom employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for Paycom employee login. After you do that, here you'll find Paycom's employee website. Here you'll see employee self-service. So just open this website up in another page. You'll also find different versions of this as well. Here you can see for the software and also for the webmail. We want to go to employee self-service. After you do that, here you'll find the employee option as well. Since we are doing this for employees, tap on employee. If you're a client, you can choose that, and similarly for the accountant as well. After you're here, type in your username, whatever username that you have used for this account setup, then your password, and then the last 4 digit of your social security number or simply your PIN. Then tap on login after you've done that and you're good to go. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.